the government is sending me because you haven't paid the bills, and we have to take your house. You have to move out right now.
No, it has to be a mistake. We pay everything, no?
Everybody should leave right now. Everybody should leave right now.
We pay everything.
We paid everything.
It's only my job. I have to.
Please.
You have to go.
She's pregnant. Come on, it's my child. Let's go outside.
Can we do it faster? Let's do it faster. I don't have all day long. I don't have all day long. Let's just move.
No, it's not fair. It's not fair.
It's not my fault. I paid my bills. Let's go.
It's not fair. I will call my lawyer. It is not fair.
I really don't care.
Where are we going now? Where?
I have no idea where you're going. Open up, the police is here. Open up.
What the fuck, the police? What is he doing here?
It's okay, baby.
What's happening?
The government sent me because you haven't paid the bills, and I have to move you out of the building.
Wait a minute.
It's everything written here.
Okay, thank you so much.
You have to move out.
I will call my lawyer.
You can call your lawyer, but...
No, I'm going to call him because it has to be a mistake. No, please, it's not going to happen now, okay? We are going to stay here. It has to be a mistake, no? See my children, please.
It's not my problem. The government sent me just to move you out. It's not my problem, it's not my deal.
Sisi, don't worry, it's a mistake. Oh my God.
Hey, hello, everything is going to be fine. Okay.
Come, please, come.
Hello, my name is Andrew Jules. I'm a lawyer.
I'm a policeman.
She's our family lawyer. She will explain you all. Look, this is good.
Hello. Okay, everything is going to be fine. Everything is going to be fine. Okay. Mr. Policeman, you can take their home because due to this law, number 69, you can see that you can take a home from a jobless with a kid and she's pregnant. Yes, you can do it. And they have paid all the taxes. There's only one left, but it ends in a month, so they have time.
Okay. Now I'm gonna call my superior to ask him about this kind of things. Wait a second, I'm coming back.
Okay.
I think it's going to be fine.
Thank you very much. Thank you. You're always there.
Everything move that out.
How are you, sweetie?
I'm afraid.
Everything is going to be
Okay, I called my superior and we made an agreement that you're not gonna be kicked out, but you have to pay all your bills in period of 1 week. If you're not, we're coming again.
Okay, we will. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.